Abusia YouTube membership program. Me sure say mu bebre hu sa join button we besides subscribe button no. E other big YouTube channels ase. Now Magraheb you are eligible for it but ni nyanten ni on. Eye simple eye way say YouTube dia base na be ya ahwefo ne adofo ehwe videos on a daily basis no. A mo person mo so ya ade ma yen in return no. Betimi aboa support yen financially. Busumi bia ranging from $5, 5 euros, 5 pounds depending on the country up to 100 and I say up to 100 euros, 100 pounds depending on nyewu betimi. Now to be perfectly clear no sadio we say na busuan nyenhye so wo pe no nwana so wo 2 minutes obetimi aya and na obeye and no nkyere say because Magraheb channel e kan say membership no you approve yen nkyere say videos I post to the bia no anana ye post to dada no ye ba be delete ana ye ba be jai no we ni a new way wonwa wo hwe videos wo hwe videos di entertain ho wo di inform ho no won so wo ti ase wo be boa ye nse ne be ya yes you be financially stable. That is the way YouTube diaba and if you more approve ama yen so. That said, joining the membership program of Magraheb TV no obviously you are going to get a little bit more than the regular person now share videos no every single day no. Now what do I mean by a little bit more? A little bit more in the sense like ubenya exclusive videos normally in the end time post to. Ubenya behind the scenes type of content here normally in the end time post to. Ubetimi nya to the level of say one-on-one personal interaction, Zoom calls, a whole lot of stuff for Angasa. Now before we even get into the various levels, ne normal ubenya on level bi a ube choose no. Yan talk about the reason tia ube pese ube support Magraheb TV as a channel and as a platform. Being a creator on YouTube, now we create videos every single day no. Abusia, it's very hard ya cause no joke. And as our mouth be depend on content, so send a bay on the bay entertain you on the bay inform more. Nasa Debia so creating new videos, Abusia. Don't joke. The job Nasa we be on top of that. We be by yourself. The job becomes like 10 times harder. And on top of that, some of the videos I create mamu enjoy no cost to sika and kasa. If you remember, I think last month, you go Belgium and Germany. That 2 trips within like 10 days cost about 2,000 euros. Now that is no joke. The basana ezo use scale from normal YouTube videos Now video they find this videos Now say happen that way so you come back to square zero. And as a Western here, personally me videos I am maintaining more advertisement because I want you to enjoy the video because so be video na entertain one na dey inform one master oba be advert. That's the reason why most of our videos who say me running multiple advertisement say even me choose say me advertisement am obi kura na you can see say every video be just one ad pay any I don't want to make it one video 10 minutes video now 3, 4, 5 ads there run home. Now you don't get to enjoy the content. And our channel we saying so half of the videos are music video reactions. Some reactions and I'm say artists now they reacted to Ammonium Majority of them I register Ammonium through YouTube near other platforms and YouTube here Jumano. You don't get monetized for that kind of reaction videos Even though say we put a whole lot of work into it. What they say? Even though say they promote to so they get the promotion for free and also make money from the video now to promote their song. You see how crazy that thing is. And we keep creating it because most of you guys need your reaction videos So if we need your say and on be subscribe we can't just stop. So we have to keep it going. Even though say most of the times we don't get money from them. What you say? And again we have to also support our own talents and what Ghana say the little platform we have, we can use to push them. Even if say more bigger numbers right now, we have to do our bit to support. And a whole lot of normal channels, majority of them, about 98% are free because I understand how hard it is to build a platform because we've done it. And a second, I know say asking for help when I was your idea, me pa we asked say me here be na me I'll try and any possible means to do it myself. But if I can't, at some point, you have to, start asking. Now, using my platform, I just do it without thinking about the money. And the most Ghanaian YouTubers, bread pan and making videos, what you say, and ask free entertainers, creative videos in free for Ghanaian audience. Sometimes, if you look at the work people put into the video, that's where the revenue you get from that video now. Sometimes, it do depressing level, Yeah, but I will be sure as you have a huge following, so you must have a whole lot of money. YouTube in your massa. And you can't really blame YouTube because will be any Ghana or running advertisement. It's America for running advertisement. Will be no other Ghana, will be a company or running ad through YouTube. What you here? So as creators, creative videos for Ghanaians, near at a scanning the back was no Moses some. For example, will be a creative content for Ghana or English, almost all the time, because any revenue actually will be a creative content. That is that simple. Until for me, the only way to combat this, is to make creative multiple videos within the week. Until I thought that we say story via bar, story no nyanse be name the story not just say enya dey press or come once, but you have to still do video about it. I thought that you have to sacrifice quality over quantity. You have to create a type of videos about stories are air trendy. So creative videos about it. Get views. So you have to do it. Even though it's a deep down on the ground, you feel that story within your story. We spend the time what they say. Sometimes they say creative video because amount for to get views and all that. But sometimes necessarily important content here is a waste of time or what I say, at least to me. And at that type of videos, I'll make it in a way say you will see I'll put a whole lot of work into it. It will be say for example, beef biaba. I have to get the genesis of the beef. At the end of so watching one video of mine, you understand everything from the start to the finish. What I say? Say a fast I'll try and get all the facts before I make that video. You have to put a whole lot of work into it. Doing that every single day. Sometimes I thought that per week, meeting creating 3 videos every single day. And that is super stressful, Akasa. And that's the main reason creating a video in it. Because look, about 98-99% of my videos, me and me share story na me wia ma script ma put it together ma yi bia free di bia keka ho aye ni in the way say oh share like you feel when you better ho we na be patch when you better ho be enjoy ankasa 98-99% of the time everything is from me and not just story nko an why story na scripting in the way be entertaining the way you have to shoot it this is a me try here. Na me wia masia ko spend a whole lot of time edit it o dey say ansa na ma upload aye ho no ma ansa na wo kra wo hwe video no wanya ahwe so a lot of work goes into it. It is a whole creative video every single day, sometimes 3 videos a day on a more consistent basis. Na say wo ye no solo wo nko abusua jeez enough of I tell you the fact enough now. Even though say wo you guys say YouTube no as a full-time job like me, Korana, easy. Because, for example, 99 bars, episode 16, episode 17, more recently, I spent each episode, me spend about 17-18 hours just editing. Whole reactions and Mario, I was here publishing in Yamae. We are on some set website on Bivotu, Yamae. A whole lot of work goes into these videos. Into raw bizarre. I was there. It's not that simple, and that's yet that raw, sir. Any day of time be videos beaters are because spirit in your dream, you are super exhausted, Yankasa. So Basana, you don't even have time to read comments, reply messages, take phone calls and all that. Because you have friend one time when you are better and out there for they'll be out who your programs there. If you know what I'm going to do, Uncle, can you shut up? You shut up. I was stressful, Ankasa. I thought I could have fear. I don't get proper time for a fear. And as a young guy at my age, it shouldn't happen like that. What I say. But that is the work. If we've taken this work upon ourselves, say you're trying for me entertaining a man for using our platform now, at least if you subscribe then go out there, I have to also deliver the content to you. Because one follow channel we actually 3 years, over 3 years I started, no massive break here. Every single week be dropping new videos. And to do that consistently for 3 years without taking a break, it's crazy. Every time you are thinking about what you need to do next video, next shows, next series, and a whole lot of stuff. Now that is the reason why there's some Magraheb membership you in Abano. Send a buy at least through you guys, man. A couple of people are moving to me support here with that amount, which is ranging from €5, £5, up to 100 now. You better me use say can be there high or more edit type of videos you can be my. You better high will be over research type of content to be my. Now at least every the job I miss me a be free make a crack to also enjoy life. Now make me getting new ideas to create new type of shows, new type of series for you guys. Now most more enjoy. This is me more enjoy. That's so bit me. Then you two will help me back so that I also can enjoy. Yeah, and this is about even 1% or even less, 0.5% of our total subscribers. Members. Oh, I wish that would be super amazing. That would mean that we can hire special editors here. At least some more visionary. Project a video to the next level. Not time be able to the alternate computer on we edit here. You edit videos for 17 hours editing one video. You know that it's not easy. You know, if you can and I make up once a match. So if you can't, price new range from €5 from €5 up to €100, depending on the level now we choose. And YouTube should be take you 30%. So no say YouTube for they won't allow us to have everything. Yeah. And it's not just giving me money and then that is it. Obviously, you will be getting something more, something extra. Until now, you call the little something now. You bet me idea, you bet me created at least Ebema will join in being part of the membership program. Ebe worth it. What I say. Now let's talk about we have levels which is silver, gold, diamond, and then platinum. The silver now is $4.99, 4.99, which is $5, so it's €5, is what I say. Now joining that server, no more Benjamin Canchero. Yes, loyalty badges. Loyalty badges now Facebook top fan kind of badge. Anytime I will make you comment on YouTube, it will be easily recognizable. Will be able to say, okay, this person is a channel sponsor. Yeah, channel member. Yeah, that is the first thing. Second thing, behind the scenes type of videos. This is Flipper till you come try that boom. Then you see Flipper. And that Flipper me find me cause simply when this. Yeah, they try Flipper but now we see behind the scenes. Normal of course behind the camera now. Most of the times you don't get to watch now. We also do that. Third, never be rough cuts and bloopers. I will say me try video mistakes I hold on my goodness. And no you better make if you guys are into data, then every month you are dropping 2 or 3 type of dive videos. Now it's what I enjoy. Say if you're into data, we can give you photo and status updates. Because for example, say if you a video or baby, everyone say danger was a question for 1 week. Now see drop one single video, at least we will keep you informed about the cost on any post videos and all that. And now 5 no be polling for videos. Say we have emphasis say what 3 videos next week. Reactions of ABS, the new way saying, Shatawale new way saying, Stoneboy new way saying. You viewers, channel silver level members. When video number first, you get to influence that type of videos. Then that is that for silver members. Now we move up this next level, which is gold. Gold members get all your about silver members and also more. More now another price I think $9.99, which is $10. And then one, and then private live streams to say live videos in. You be call live now video and some members I have interaction for about an hour. Now you person yakasa fahumbi and yakasa ideas na person share. We can do that and all those good stuff. Second, exclusive members only videos. You better that create content specifically for gold members and above. Not to say be a daily wala for example. Story be very you better make create that type of videos exclusively for just joining, being part of the gold members. And third no grade shout outs in videos I make you. To say shout outs be videos I you also get to get that. Oh yeah. And then the profuna bow. A bucket. What I say? Now that is the gold level. Now we get into the diamond. One of the price and also because if you are a person more. So we wanted to create it in a way say anyone can join depending on level be a person here. So the gold diamond level started I think $49.99, which is 50 euros. Busumi bia. So if say when you bring kwaso person support goodly nya for okay. Good linya brofos anamati. Abusia, I don't know, that's the type of things I be getting. Now, one of the things I bet me I get from that diamond level, no, create requested video. To say, be a video, we open some creative video about this specific subject. To say, be a interview, to say, old interview, say, a requested video, we can do that. Open some video and chill me computer, that is a requested video, we can do that. Open say, episode about Ghana movie industry, that's a requested video, we can do that. So that is the thing I'll be here. And now, 2 year unreleased footage video be why you try in my mountain kura and a video be because you me video near the upload na video ni nyam publish here being a gold kind diamond member no, you will get to see all those type of videos no sometimes yeah all the time because you know we still have to and a third near you bet my Zoom one-on-one call ankasa in case there be our questions or ideas be you per se we a YouTuber for example we hear tips and tricks kwanya abefas no man yes or yet and all those good stuff we a businessman we hear kind of a year no we can have one-on-one Zoom call and then you know with all the kind of saying gold members and just one-on-one saying gold members we can schedule a time say be at this time we be call live if you have ideas all those stuff we can do that. Then the final level, that is the platinum level. And okay, gold member and so be get normal silver member ni benya ni gold member ni na benya bi so diamond one. So it's like the step above no, we get everything and step below no e wo nyina. So the final level is platinum. Platinum no is just abusia. I don't know so you super fan ankasa. So that no you get personal connection. You get my personal phone number, we can talk, we can share ideas, bounce back, a whole lot of stuff. Depending on if you're into that, and I say that is what you want to do. And that is some of the perks now. Now, know this membership program is not really normal. It's more like normal. But this is just our appreciation of say I didn't know why am I so, and that is the reason why we wanted to also go the extra mile near creative extra type of content here. At least yes, you show appreciation back for what you've chosen to do for us every single month. Hey, couple of minutes where they will. So Abusia, that said, no, again, videos I posting them behind there. And then a beba every single day be you posting na. We know membership no is just a new additional what I say stuff for other people me some person boy and bet me a boy. Now when like I keep saying, you know, I'm not trying to say except by force. Open so many video you have to pay. No. It's not like that. This is just for you. If you want to support me, that is your own what you say wahala. And as all by joining, depending on the level now be choose. So it's a level as kind of silver level. Sky YouTube better no bosumi be that same date na YouTube better says can be a recurring payment because you've pledged to, you know. And as all person stop what time be a person stop piano wait me stop. Say be at the silver level person upgrade to the gold level. You can also do that. And then now say YouTube before you control admin, you know. So enter address or credit card information you know say it's secure because I get me who and no be YouTube for net. The only thing we get to see is our 70% of scanner out the pledgeable pledge. Scanner out the pledges or the best support here. And no one other stuff will be be secure with YouTube for her. This person joining a simple. Well, YouTube video now so on besides subscribe button. Ube join you ho. No one is a click join so. O click so a baby a yama. Now I fill in can say what choose with the level now open. Now if you want fill in your necessary information to say billing address in your account. Now if you want the credit card information. Now if you baby on Betis kind of free. And that is pretty much it. To follow steps na very easy, very simple ankasa. So abusia join button Maghreb membership no. Ni nyina no, ni nchire mu ano no. Very simple and very ade ankasa. We do a lot on this channel no, to entertain people. So if you have the opportunity, the willpower to also help us in that way, say na be get extra editors, extra researchers, never may adwuma easier, then you to help us. That is the simple background no. So I know say soon no you better get you be share behind the exclusive club one kasa. We be join in a video about you have a whole lot of fun now. Most times on end time now. Yeah. Thanks for watching the subscribe to the channel also. Yeah, so I do videos where I had that was like till we meet again, Abusia. Adios.